Welcome viewers. For various reasons, knowledge of the Exchange database file location is required for Exchange administrators. An EDB file stores the complete information of the Exchange server, including mailboxes and public folders. So, administrators should know the location of the EDB files. It helps them to take Exchange database backup for information security, to retrieve content from the Exchange database, to move or export Exchange server database to another file format. To find the exact EDB file location on the Exchange system, users can utilize the Exchange Management Shell command. It would provide the EDB path location as the output. The default EDB file locations for different Exchange server versions are different. For Exchange Server 2013 and newer versions, the EDB location is. For Exchange Server 2010, the EDB location is. For Exchange Server 2007, the EDB location is. For Exchange Server 2003 and Exchange Server 2000, the EDB location is. EDB files can be accessed only using Exchange Server. But if you want to access an EDB file's content without Exchange Server or any mail client, you can try Kernel for Exchange Server. You can search for EDB files even by using the trial version of the software. Sometimes even after finding the file path location, the Exchange database becomes inaccessible due to corruption or other factors. In that case also, you can use this tool to open and view corrupt or damaged EDB files. It provides users with a search facility, by which they can search for offline EDB files on the selected system drive. After launching the tool, click on the search option to search the Exchange database file. It would open the Search EDB file page. Here click on three dots to add the system drive or folder location. After adding the system drive or folder, click on the search option to start the file search operation. The search window will show its progress. All the EDB files from the folder will be retrieved as a list. Here, you can select the desired EDB file and open its mailbox to get a complete preview. Users can easily perform the export operation from there, provided you have purchased the license. To get complete information about the tool, visit the website. Have a nice day.